If you've been in an accident, you probably have a lot of questions such as, how am I going to pay my medical bills? How do I make up for time out of work? Or how do I get my car replaced? Well, we have years of experience helping people like you receive the compensation that they deserve, even if no police report was filed or the other driver had no insurance, even if the insurance company is avoiding your claims. We can help. Don't face the insurance company alone. We offer free consultations, so give us a call today.